Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to record a voice message and put privacy on voice message. And if you want to check what you record, you can check it before send to the person. Okay, for this, open your WhatsApp, click on chat. You want to send voice note, record what you want to say. Okay, you can also lock your voice note by swipe up, and if you want to check what you record, click on the pause button. Now you can check what you have recorded, and if you want to continue the recording, then again tap on mic. Your recording is still continuing. Now if you want to put privacy on your voice note, click on the one and send. Now your voice note is sent to the person, and the person is allowed to open your voice note only once. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.